No, you don't get one.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not going together?
Oh yeah, that's true. That's kind of
Yep.
Shit, dude.
Dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come back up. Oh. Oh my god. Looks such a boss.
Oh my god. Just one more. And then...
Okay, go. Go.
Do it again.
No.
Yeah, go up again.
Dude, just do it.
Go, please. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys can come back now. Dude, that was fucking crazy.
Luke and Alyssa's relationship is over.